Okay, it's nice and hot. And we're going to just mark one side and then turn it over. And we're going to mark them. We're going to turn each one before we turn them over. We're going to turn it so we get a nice X looking I like zucchini. Is such a nice vegetable. You can do so much with it. And it's very easy to overcook it. Okay. So that'll take a few. I'm going to shut the film off because I'm going to give it a minute and then I'm going to twist it. Okay. Let's see what we got. It was about a minute. Gave me enough time to clean the bowl, grab the zucchini. Oh, I didn't want that to happen. But grab it and turn it. Okay. Yeah, we got some nice dark lines there, see? This side I'm going to leave on about the same amount of time because those lines are beautiful. You know, everything is in presentation. When you put these on a plate for your guest, they're going to go, oh, that's so pretty. How you do that? And that's why I'm testing out this new indoor grill I have. Well, it could be used outdoors too. But I did some chicken thighs on there with the skin. Pain in the ass to clean. So I'm not going to do that again. I'll do it skinless. And something like this is easy to clean after you're done. Well, that's been about another minute. And let's see what we got. Nice. Good. Okay. This is the bigger burner, so they're going to be having darker or... Oh, that one wasn't as nice the way I turned it. Now that looks like tic-tac-toe. I want it more looking like this one and this one. Very particular. And back here it's not as hot. So we'll leave that for another half a minute. And now, look, that's done. Because when you press on there, see how soft it is? You don't want to overcook the zucchini. So when it's time to serve, just put this in the microwave or the oven to just heat up. Because by the time it heats up, it'll get even softer. And you don't want mushy zucchini. Well, let's see what we're doing now. That's good. Like I said, see the grill? Doing vegetables on the grill, easy to clean off. So there you have it. And when you serve the zucchini, just put the 3 pieces like so on the plate. And then you have your starch and your protein, whatever it is. Enjoy.